We got a PO69E fuel pump control module. I haven't seen any videos. This is a 2010 Cadillac SRX. I haven't seen any videos of what to do. Well, I'm going to show you. You're going to get your fuel pump control module. This is the part number for this vehicle anyway, 208-75846. Gonna look like this. This is what gives the voltage and everything. Tells the high flow pump when the pump how much. Just less voltage, it'll be less volume. If it's just one, I mean just one thing off, it'll come up. Anyway, it looks like this. It's gonna have a 10mm on the top, and you're gonna have to take this trim piece off. Okay, very, very simple. You got a bunch of clips back here. You're gonna have to unplug the light back here where you pull all the way out, but you're just gonna pop all these around down here, pop it out here, kind of just pop these up. These are all pop outs. There's no screws or bolts in any of them. Will you trim off down here this piece, so it comes out like this. Okay, and then you got your fuel pump module right here, and that's your 10mm right up there. We're gonna take that out and take this off. Of course, you're gonna get the little red clip here. Pop that up, and then take your switch out. Pull this lever up, pull this off. Get your 10mm off here. It's kind of hard to do and be on the phone. I'm in the camera. Try not to lose your screw if you can help it. Okay, screw down. All right, and just reverse that. This is your module. It's on here. Okay, when you get it hooked up, it's gonna say, when you go to your fuel pump control module, it's gonna still run, but it's gonna say fuel pump control module was not programmed. All right, you're gonna have to program it. If you don't have the equipment to do it, take it to a dealer, get it programmed. Did you hear that noise? It'll run like crap and it won't have the volume you need. So make sure you get it programmed, but that's as easy as 1, 2, 3 is putting it in. Okay, so if you got a PO69 or a 602 which is not programmed, then go ahead and get it programmed, and then you'll be all set. And thanks for watching.